against FEU. We are tied at 1 set apiece. We are in the third set. Noel Zarate alongside Mosi Ravena and Rina Villamor from the brand new home. Hindi naman sana masasabing brand new kasi hindi ito bagong gawa. No? From the new home of the Shakey's League.
Once again, Tina Salak getting her a point from the line.
Tina Salak's been doing a little bit of everything.
Inumpisahan niya to ng ganyan na service point kaagad in this set.
Iliego comes back in. Yun na nga, medyo sumugal siya sa kanyang serve. So 17-10. And here is Giselle C., the captain. Bunag receiving. Combination for Yoko, anticipated by Patrona.
Ang ganda ng timing. Eulalio and Patrona, that on the defense, it was actually Patrona blocking that. Of course, in the house, I could see. Alam mo yung Iris Ortega yan dati.
Yes.
Tapos naging Patrona. Got married to Vic Patrona. Also a former volleyball men's team, Philippine team member.
Ay yata pinag-uusapan masyado yung kanyang personal life. Diretso kagad sa net.
Nahiya.
Hindi naman. Nagkakataon. Uy, pinag-uusapan ako, Doink. 18-11. Yonko. Tabaquero gets there. Villego. Free ball from Ivy. Down.
Mayet. Just finding, eluding the blocker of FEU.
Timeout, Nes Pamilar. This is getting a little out of hand for FEU.
Ito natin ma-receive na tayo. Wala naman problema. Second set, third set, yung mga problema. Hindi tayo ma-receive na tayo. So, tingnan natin. Pag-open, ma-atras sila lahat. So, dahil na, third second na sa likod nila. Ganun nila, sumasagot na rin. Na-anticipate nila puro palo.
Want to take a look at a power hit? Let's take a look at Mayet Carolino in action right here. Again off a great set by Tina Salak, and down the middle goes Mayet. Di ba lang nakaset up yung blocker doon ng FEU?
Papunta kasi sa kabilang side si Eulalio.
So 19-11, 8-point lead now for the Philippine Army. They're tied at 1 set apiece. Combination now for Patrona. And here is Lunag trying to look for a check ball, and rather Bunag. Hirap yan, nagsama si Lunag at saka si Bunag.
Well, in this third set, FEU 4 receptions so far of their 18, which is 22%. Ang Army naman with 3 of 10, 30%.
So both struggling with their receptions here. Good defense by Palma. Changing the shot there of the Philippine Army. 19-13. Buenas Eulalio. That is a very strong serve. Almost went out. Michelle goes wide. And ito na ang FEU.
That's right. Not enough spin. And that last play, Michelle going wide.
Dinidikit na naman ito kupunan ng FEU. Eulalio once again. Another nice one. Here's Michelle. Nice dig by Giselle. Palma. Getting it across is Patrona. Combination. That was a 3-player combination. Here's Patrona. Almost dropping it in. And it will be a point for FEU.
And again, FEU getting that point.
Ang ganda ng timing ng timeout ito si Rico de Guzman right now. Kasi unti-unti na nakakarangkada ang Lady Tamaraos. Timeout, Philippine Army.
Lagyan mo ng din. Huwag mo kayang dinan, bilisan mo po yung paluno. Isang ikot lang ng bola. Isang batay lang, isang batay. Para makaikot yung tao natin. Hindi tayo makalis, dapat na puntos yung binigay natin. Ha? Hindi lang. Kasi ba Yes, tara.
Apat na lang po ang abante rito ng Philippine Army. And it's not because FU is playing spectacular volleyball. It's just that the Philippine Army has just gotten into a little bit of a slump. I mean, Tabaquero has been quiet. It's been Patrona all the way. Eulalio. Michelle Carolino. That's a better attack right there. And Palma was late.
Just way up in the air to take that one.
So 2015. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
So still a 5-point lead for the Philippine Army.
Michelle, Giselle C, Ivy Remulla. Dakis keeps it alive. Here is Mayet Carolino. That's more like it for the Philippine Army.
Yes, taking control. Back-to-back points for the Philippine Army. Isang powerful hit mula sa isang kapatid, sa isang Carolino.
Oh.
And this time, just a drop ball, just over the blockers. Coming from Mayet this time.
C, combination, Patrona through the defense of Bunag.
At halos tatlong blockers yun na nasa harap ni Patrona.
At pinili niya si Bunag.
Yep, able to penetrate. Just so powerful.
Salak for Dakis. Oh, wow.
That's where she wants it. Not too close to the net.
Yan ang left side open attack position. That's the territory of Rachel Andakis. Eto ngayon si Mayet Carolino. Ivy setting up Angge. Sheldakis.
Once again.
And Dakis is now personally saying na, okay, I'm going to just kill my old team. So tapo natin, for those of you just joining us, Rachel Andakis is playing against her former team for the very first time and you're catching it on television.
Parang gusto niya na sabihin, Tina, huwag mo na sa akin bigay.
And Palma cannot convert the free ball. And Bunag, C. Ivy with the left hand. Tina Salak, Palma is there. Giselle C. Sets up Ivy once again, tries to drop it in. Bunag rejected there by Palma. Dakis, great save by C.
Pancake save.
And here is Bunag. That time Gallego cannot get the save.
It's a running hit that gets the point. That's from Joanne Bunag. And, you know, one thing with the Philippine Army, when you see Tina Salak, steady mag-set eh. Just so, yung if you were the spiker, mahihiya ka pag hindi mo paluin ng maayos eh.
Ivy tries to go over it. Set point here for the Philippine Army. They have 8 of them. 8 set points. Here's C. Palma gets one back. What a project this girl's gonna be, huh?
Yes. Set point for the Philippine Army.
And 7 more to overcome. Ivy to serve. Bunag. Dapaan yung mga nasa likod niya eh. Here's Tabaquero. Into the net. They said it was blocked. One more time for Angge. Here is Dakis.
It's going to be a violation called against the Philippine Army.
Si Dakis natawid doon sa linya.
Double violation ang tinawag.
24-18. Eto na naman tayo. 6 na lang yan. Ay, ako, 5 na lang.
With an ace.
5 na lang.
Let's go, ate. Let's go.
Sabi ni Rico de Guzman, ayaw nyo naman manalo. Pakinggan natin kung anong talumpati niya ngayon.
Ako, si Rachel John.
Wala mo na lang. Receive mo lang ang dala.
Salita tayo, salita. Ate lang. Ate na lang, isa na lang.
Isang receive na maganda. Tayo lang, tayo. Receive bola sa zone. Zone 3, pwede.
Well, 5 set points once again. Parang pamilyar ito. Nangyari na ito ulit nung set 2, but FEU could not get it done. This time, it's a different server. It's Ivy Remulla who's putting the ball in play. And Ivy scored a couple of aces already today.
We're just so proud that Ivy is playing so well.
Proud na naiingit ka. Gusto mo rin maglaro.
May halo.
Here's Salak. Bunag.
Oh, and wide hit from Joanne Bunag.
They got everything they wanted.
Yep.
Good reception, good set. Hindi na pumasok. So 24-20. Ito na si Banyel. Kailangan na serve specialist dito. Acuna in for Giselle C.
Gusto lang i-make sure ni Coach Ness na pumasok ang service. So fresh legs from Coach Ness.
And Banyel is very reliable on her serve. Dakis off the block. Patrona is there. Palma has to attack. Palma attacks again. And getting it across. Philippine Army. Banyel setting it up for Tabaquero.
Still playable.
Banyel once again. This time goes the other way for Acuna. Salak. Bunag once again.
No touch.
Here comes FEU.
So
This was
that must be
24-16
yes,
kanina.
about 5 straight points for FEU.
And Banyel. Let's see if the reliability continues for this young lady. Yes, it does. Bunag. Bunag. Blocked there by Tabaquero. Dalawa na lang ang abante ng Philippine Army and they are out of timeouts.
Everything going wrong for the Philippine Army.
Right.
Nabablock, lumalabas ang bola.
The thing is, Rico de Guzman has no more timeouts here. Banyel, another good serve. In the air for Michelle. Oh, yes. And that was a point awarded to the Philippine Army. So after a little bit of a scare, the Philippine Army takes set number 3, 25-22. At
Nakakahinayang kasi,
Yun na nga eh.
Coach Ness. Nakakahinayang yung set na yun.
shaky play right now. And it had to go to the former MVP to get it done. And we will go to set number 4.